Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you the complete college review of NIT Allahabad or Motilal Nehru Institute of Technology Allahabad. So I will give you the complete detail about the NIT Allahabad, that what is the placement of this, what is the cutoff for this, okay, means the round 5 cutoff, and I will talk about the facilities, campusing, what are the company that visited, number of the company, scope of the job in the foreign and other things, okay, and does it provide the internship and all things too. So make sure to watch the video completely. If you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video. So let us move to our video without wasting our time. So as you can see that I will talk about the MNIT Allahabad. So let me give a brief intro about the MNIT Allahabad. So this is one of the NIT that is situated in the UP and one of the topmost NITs all over the India. So it is actually established in 1960 and 1961, and it was one of the profound colleges all over the especially in context to the engineering and other research work too. Okay, so this is all about the MNIT Allahabad. Talking to the next section, that is very important, that what are the departments or the courses that is offered by NIT Allahabad. So it offer variety of courses, UG and PG courses. For these offer engineering courses, science courses, School of MGIT Study, Humanities and Social Science, Sales and Research Center. Okay, so this have a variety of context courses provided by this. Talking about the engineering courses, what are the engineering courses that provided this? So this provide the applied mechanics, biotechnology, CSC, computer science engineering, most demandable branch, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, and biotechnology. So this is all about the engineering courses that is offered by the MNIT Allahabad. Besides that, they provide the science courses such as the chemistry, mathematics, physics, humanities courses, and variety of courses provided by this. Okay. Moving to our next very important, that is the facilities. So what about the facilities available in this college? Okay, whether all facilities are available or not. Okay, so no doubt guys, this is one of the top most NIT. So this provide all the basic and advanced level facility. This have a library that has content abundant number of books and have a cyber library. Okay, so this have a both in a digitalized and normal way. So profound library is this, and this have a computer center, CR center, health center, have a hostel facility, both boys and girls, and that have some rules and regulations that you have to follow. Okay, I am also showing you the view of the hostel. So if you plan to take the hostel, then hostel is again marvelous, and this is actually the complete scenario of the boys hostel and girls hostel. Okay, and the facility that is available. Besides that, they have a mess and canteen facilities. All this is okay. So that is all about the facilities that is available in the MNIT Allahabad. Talking about the next very important facility, that they have Nodal Center, IGNOU, CDS Center, transport, banking facilities. So abundant number of facility available in the MNIT Allahabad. Moving to our next, that is very important for any student, that is the cutoff, because you know now, to get into any college you must have the valid cutoff. So what about the cutoff for this? Okay, so I am showing you the cutoff range for this for the round 5. Okay, so what is the cutoff expected cutoff for this, and if you have a cutoff in this, you can easily get into this. For the biotechnology, open rank 31168, okay, and open PW 220. For EWS 4984, it will start and go up to close 5244. OBC 10376 and close 11627. We are talking for the topmost branch, that is the CSC Computer Science Engineering. So it will start from 408 and close up to 2607. So you can assume here that a great competition will be faced. Okay, and for the open PWD 75 to 138, for EWS 264 to 367, for the OBC NCL 56462 to 1216, for the OBC NCL 48 to 69, and this is all that. Electrical Engineering 8417 and close up to 10820. For the other PW candidates 468, and for the EWS 1409 to 1677, and for the OBC NCL 3078 to 3905, for the ST candidates 607 to 838. For the Electronics and Communication Engineering, home star, you can say a general ranker 4220 and close up to 7920. For the PWD 431, and for the EWS 995 to 1203. For Mechanical Engineering, okay, you can clearly visualize for the OBC candidates, that is the 2133 and 3011. For ST candidates 665 to 60. Moving for the mechanical engineering, so what is the mechanical engineering cutoff? So for that will go up to 16221, that is marvelous. Okay, means if you are planning to have a low cutoff somehow by region, then you can opt for this college, that is the good college. Okay, for the EWS 2307 and close up to 2676. For other branches, okay, for the means other quota 4404 to 589 for ST candidates, for ST 3113 to 3812. So this is all the cutoff scenario of the NIT Allahabad. Moving to our next very important, that is the placement scenario of this. So what is the placement scenario of this college? Okay, so is this provide the good placement in context or not? Okay, and what is the company that visited? So I will cover all these important things here. This is actually the placement scenario of this NIT Allahabad. So number of eligible students so far is 1226 and the number of students so far get placed is 793. Highest CTC offered by the top MNC company is 51.75 LP and the average CTC 19.08. That is very good. Okay, talking about the company that visited, so a variety of top MNC companies such as the Google, Flipkart, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, somehow they come little bit time. Okay, and these are the top MNC company that visited here. Okay, so that is all about the placement scenario of this. Moving to last section, that is very important, that conclusion. So should I opt for this college or not? So if you are getting this college, then no in doubt, this is one of the topmost and profound NIT, and you can say NIT all over the India. So if you are planning to get, then this is one of the topmost NIT. Okay, so this is guys all the important video about the NIT Allahabad. I hope this video is really helpful for you in deciding your college, and if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to support my channel for providing such important video, and that is all about that. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.